If you want to protect your photos and give them a professional finish, adding a watermark or signature in Lightroom is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark or signature in Adobe Lightroom and Lightroom Classic on PC in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to brand your images, keep your name visible on social media, or stop people from using your photos without credit. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom or Lightroom Classic and make sure your photo edits are ready. When you're finished, go to the top menu and click Export. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and E on your keyboard to open the export window faster. Once the export settings appear, look for the watermark option and turn it on. After that, click Edit Watermarks. This opens the watermark editor where you can customize exactly how your signature or watermark will look. Now you have two main choices. You can select text if you want to type your name, brand, or website as a simple signature watermark. Or you can choose graphic if you already have a signature saved as a PNG file with a transparent background. If you're using text, type in the name you want to display and adjust the font, style, and placement until it looks right. If you're using a graphic, upload your signature PNG and Lightroom will place it on the image for you. Next, fine-tune the size so it isn't too large or too small. Then adjust the opacity to make the watermark more subtle or more visible, depending on your style. After that, choose the position on the photo, such as bottom right, bottom left, or center, depending on where you want your branding to appear. Take a moment to preview it and make sure it looks clean and professional. Once everything looks good, click Save or Done to keep your watermark preset. Then go back and finish the export process by clicking Export. Lightroom will now save your image with your watermark or signature applied automatically, and that's it. You've successfully added a watermark or signature in Lightroom on PC. It only takes a minute once it's set up, and it's a great way to protect and brand your photos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Lightroom tutorials.